Okay, so I've got the linen, and I'm not going to, I can try and peel that off the that thing though, but I'm not going to put it on a block. I think I'm going to have a better luck if I leave it flexible. So I'm going to ink up in Old Olive, and I don't even care if it's not, I said, don't know, I've not done this before. I don't know if it's going to work. I'm probably going to get, oh my gosh, I'm probably going to get, oh my gosh, green fingers. Should have known that, shouldn't I? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lay this on top, and I'm going to try and press in. And this is just going to be really, really, really subtle as well. Maybe I shouldn't have put so much dark green on, but anyway. So I'm really pushing my thumb into those areas, and I'm just going to gently let, oh, it's working. I'll tell you what, my first thought when I was thinking about what I was going to make, my first thought was to stamp the linen on the cardstock and then stamp the image and then colour over the top of it, which meant all of it would have the texture. All of it would have texture, but it would be different. Like if I wanted to do it in green, then the pink would have green on it as well. And then just before I came and sat down, I was like, oh, I'm going to see whether I can stamp through the stencil because it's masking off those areas, and then the leaves should just be the ones that have got texture on it. Oh, okay. Ooh, have a look at that. And that way you could decide whether you wanted to do like the flowers with a little bit of texture on it, or whether you wanted to do the leaves. And because the linen is just really, really subtle, that is quite pretty. That is really different. Quite like that.